story today is called The Little Brown Bird. The story takes place in autumn and winter. There are also two other seasons, spring and summer. Where I am at the moment, it's spring, but it feels like summer. What's the season where you are? It's the same. It's spring, but it feels like summer. And what about you? Okay, it's autumn, and it feels like winter. Of course, the seasons are different depending on the side of the world you live in. I'm going to show you some objects now, and I want you to name the season. Are you ready? Winter, exactly. Okay, very good. What about these? Summer, yes, very good. What about these? Spring, yes, lovely. And what about these? Winter, sometimes autumn as well. Okay, yes, very good. And what about these? Autumn, exactly. And what about this? Summer, very good. And what about this? Winter, fantastic. And what about these? Summer, yes, but also, yeah, you're quite right. Spring, autumn, winter, whenever the sun is out. Okay, so our story takes place in autumn and winter. And it's about the little brown bird and his friends. His friends, the hedgehog, the squirrel, and the mouse. Can you guess who's sad in the story? Who do you think? You think the mouse? You think the squirrel? You think the hedgehog? You think the little brown bird? Okay, lots of ideas there. Can you guess who's kind in the story? The little brown bird, that's a good idea. The mouse, you think? The squirrel? Maybe the hedgehog? Okay, let's listen to the story and find out who's sad in the story and who's kind in the story. Are you ready? Are you sitting comfortably? Off we go. It's autumn. The little brown bird is happy and he's singing. Tweet, 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 tweet. His friends, the hedgehog, the squirrel and the mouse are happy too. Oh, what a lovely day, says Squirrel. Yes, says Hedgehog. Come on, let's look for food for winter. That's a good idea, says Mouse. But listen to the little brown bird. It's beautiful. Yes, says the Squirrel and Hedgehog. Please sing for us again, little brown bird. We love listening to your songs. The squirrel is collecting food for winter. Nuts, nuts, nuts. I'm looking for nuts. Oh, good. Here we are. Lots of nuts. I've got lots of nuts for winter. Delicious. The squirrel is happy and the little brown bird is singing. Tweet, 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 tweet. The hedgehog is collecting food for winter. Berries, berries, berries. I'm looking for berries. Ah, here we are. Lots of berries. I've got lots of berries for winter. The hedgehog is happy and the little brown bird is singing, tweet, 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 tweet. The mouse is collecting food for winter. Seeds, seeds, I'm looking for seeds. Here we are, lots of seeds. I've got lots of seeds for winter. The mouse is happy and the little brown bird is singing, tweet, 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 tweet. And now it's winter. The little brown bird is sad and alone. He isn't singing now. He's cold and hungry and he wants to see his friends. The little brown bird is knocking at the squirrel's door. Hello, squirrel. Please, can I come in? I'm cold and hungry. No, sorry, says the squirrel. My house is very small and I haven't got food for you. The squirrel bangs the door shut. The little brown bird is sad and alone and cold and hungry. The little brown bird is knocking at the hedgehog's door. Hello, hedgehog. Please, can I come in? I'm cold and hungry. No, sorry, says the hedgehog. My house is very small and I haven't got food for you. And I'm very sleepy. The hedgehog bangs the door shut and the little brown bird feels very sad and alone and cold and hungry. The little brown bird is knocking at the mouse's door. Hello, mouse. Please, can I come in? I'm cold and I'm hungry. And what do you think? Do you think the mouse lets him in? Of course, says Mouse. Come in. My house is very small, but it's warm and I've got food for you. I like listening to your beautiful songs in autumn, and now it's winter, I can help you. And that's the end of our story. So who's sad in the story? The little brown bird, yes. When is he sad? In winter, exactly. And why is he sad? He's cold and hungry. He hasn't got any food and he wants to see his friends. Who's kind in the story? Yes, the mouse. And how is the mouse kind? He invites the little brown bird into his house and gives him food. And who isn't kind in the story? Yes, the squirrel and the hedgehog. They aren't very good friends, are they? Are there any ways, do you think, the story applies to people? Yes, we can help our friends, exactly. And what's that? If our friends do things for us, then we can also do things for them. And anything else? What's that? Yes, a good idea. It also helps to think and plan ahead. The little brown bird didn't collect food in the autumn, and so he's hungry in the winter. Let's make finger puppets now and act out part of the story. To make the finger puppets, you need 4 pieces of paper like this. You need to fold the paper in half and draw a picture of each animal on the front. And then you get some glue and you stick the sides of the paper. And you can make 4 finger puppets, 1 for the little brown bird, 1 for the squirrel, 1 for the hedgehog, and 1 for the mouse. You can stop the video now and make your finger puppets, or you can watch acting out part of the story and then make your finger puppets and play the video again. So are you ready to use your finger puppets and join in acting out part of the story with me? It's winter. The little brown bird is sad and alone. The little brown bird is knocking at the squirrel's door. "Hello, squirrel. Please let me come in. I'm cold and hungry." "No, sorry," says the squirrel. "My house is very small and I haven't got food for you." The squirrel bangs the door shut. The little brown bird is sad and alone and cold and hungry. The little brown bird is knocking at the hedgehog's door. "Hello, hedgehog. Please let me come in. I'm cold and hungry." "No, sorry," says the hedgehog. "My house is very small and I haven't got food for you. And I'm very sleepy." The hedgehog bangs the door shut and the little brown bird is very sad and alone and cold and hungry. The little brown bird knocks at the mouse's door. "Hello, mouse. Please let me come in. I'm cold and hungry." "Oh, of course," says the mouse. "Come in. Welcome. My house is very small, but it's warm and I've got food for you. I like listening to your beautiful songs in autumn, and now it's winter, I can help you." The little brown bird goes into the mouse's house and is very happy. Do you like the story? You think it's great? You like the little brown bird? You like the mouse? Yes, the mouse is very kind. And you like acting out the story with the finger puppets? Well, now you can act out the story on your own. That's the end of our story time for today. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye for now.